Hi foodies, welcome to my channel. Look at this stunning spicy Thai basil fried rice. A quick and easy weeknight one-pot meal perfectly crafted for all palates. Let's get cooking. We are going to keep a sauce mix ready before we begin. This is fish sauce and try to use a good quality one. Next goes in the oyster sauce and this gives the most of the flavor to the dish. Along with some soy sauce and black pepper powder. This is palm sugar and you can adjust the quantity as per how sweet you like with the spicy. Use all good quality ingredients to get a better tasting rice. Give it a good mix and we will leave this aside for a while. Next we will make a garlic and chili crush. These are Thai red chilies and they are very spicy, so I am using just 2. Break off the stem and then add them in. You can add in one more for a bit of a kick if you like. Roughly crush these. This looks good. Take it out and keep it aside. A good quality vegetable or peanut oil is perfect. Add in the crush and sauté for 30 seconds on high heat. Here I am using jumbo shrimp and we will sauté and cook both sides. All cooking is on high heat. Turn them for the other side to cook as well. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. I am adding red bell peppers and shallots, and here you can also toss in some sliced carrots also. Sauté on high heat for a minute. The veggies should be crunchy. This is jasmine rice which I had cooked before. Give it a stir. Adding in the sauce that we prepared earlier. Mix well on high heat. This fried rice comes together very quickly. Once all mixed well and heated through, we will add in the sliced green onions and just mix. If you like my recipes, then go ahead and click the subscribe button for such wonderful recipes I post every week. Once heated through, switch off the flame and toss in the fresh Thai basil leaves. Use as many as you like. Mix for the flavors of the basil to integrate and we are ready to serve this awesome fried rice. Hope you like this recipe. I'll see you next week with another yummy recipe. Until then, bye.